You can expect a lot from the 2014 Ford Fiesta. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.